Is immigration a right or a privilege? Picture this. You're at an airport and the immigration officer asks for your passport. You hand it over and suddenly it feels like you're auditioning for a reality show. What's your purpose here? They ask, as if you're about to reveal your secret talent. On one hand, we have the argument that immigration is a fundamental human right. After all, if we can travel to space, why can't we cross borders? We're all global citizens, right? But then there's the other side. Countries have economies to manage and resources to protect. It's not as simple as just walking in. Imagine if every country had an open-door policy. It'd be like a never-ending buffet. Great for the guests, but chaos for the hosts. So, is it a right or a privilege? Maybe it's both. People should have the freedom to seek better lives, but countries also need to maintain some control. The real question is, can we make the process a little less stressful for everyone involved?